65% of vaccines are being produced from Hyderabad. So in that from India, but Hyderabad they are having more vaccine manufacturing facilities. Dynamic Prime Minister of India proactively encouraging all Indian pharmaceutical scientists to explore their research and developmental activities in-house, because we need not to depend on other countries. Why we need to have 80% dependency from other countries?
So on today's fireside chat, we have very energetic personality, Dr. A. Ramkishan, organizing secretary for IPC 73rd IPC, which just happened in Hyderabad. So let's listen to him and let's understand his point of view, what we have achieved through IPC. So Dr. A. Ramkishan, welcome to Pharma Now. And first of all, congratulations for organizing such a huge event. It was really breathtaking having a 12,000 students in such kind of event. So I just wanted to take your point of view. What was the main objective behind arranging such kind of event?
So this Indian Pharmaceutical Congress is one of the important mega event. Every year we conduct through various federating bodies of IPCA, Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association, consisting of 5 federating bodies. One is Indian Pharmaceutical Association, IPA. Second one is Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association, IPGA. Third one is All India Drugs Control Officers Confederation, AIDCOC. Fourth one is Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI. Fifth one is Indian Hospital Pharmacists Association, IHPA. So these are the 5 federating bodies. On a rotational basis. One of the federating bodies going to host the organizing this Indian Pharmaceutical Congress event for the benefit of student community, industry, regulatory through various scientific sessions by inviting nationally and internationally identified, recognized global pharmaceutical scientists.
Amazing. So while arranging this IPC event, so what were the main objective you kept in mind?
So the objective of this Congress is we have, through our council members, we have conceptualized the theme of the 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress is role of Indian Pharma for global well-being. So how we can promote international health and what are the important opportunities we are having in our country, and Government of India and various state governments taking proactive measures with respect to facilitation of various pharmaceutical industries located across the country, and also India is recognized as pharmacy of the world. And being because Hyderabad is the good destination because of hub of pharmaceutical products, because of facilities. Second one is bulk drug capital of India. Third one is more than 65% of vaccines are being produced from Hyderabad. So in that from India, but Hyderabad we are having more vaccine manufacturing facilities and contributing to United Nations tenders and global immunization program. So each and every minute, whatever vaccine is being administered across the globe, that vaccine is being produced from the country. So this is the proactive measures by Government of India, and also the ease of doing we are promoting Make in India, Digital India, Skill India. Our Honorable Dynamic Prime Minister of India, Dr. Sri Respect नरेंद्र भाई दामोदर दास मोदी साहब का आशीर्वाद से हमारा केंद्रीय औषधि नियंत्रण संगठन मानक सेंट्रल ड्रग स्टैंडर्ड कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, various regulatory authorities and professional bodies are taking lead to promote ease of doing business through various ministries, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, under various schemes we are having. So we are facilitating and promoting ease of doing for affordable, high quality medicine, diagnostics, medical devices, cosmetic products, Ayurvedic products, nutraceutical items and other important OTC products to promote international health.
Yes, yes. I think, sir, I was listening to you while you were addressing to the crowd in IPC. You were talking very high about our country's future in pharma, right? So I really wanted to understand your perspective about it. What all opportunities do we really have as a pharmacy of the world?
Number one, because India has got huge potential for pharmaceutical sector in order to promote patient care and pharmaceutical care in hospital or clinical settings, because of more pharmacists and talent pool are available in our country and ecosystem, and proactive Government of India measures, particularly Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Pharmaceutical and our dynamic Prime Minister of India proactively encouraging all Indian pharmaceutical scientists to explore their research and developmental activities in-house, because we need not to depend on other countries. Why we need to have 80% dependency from other countries? We don't want to compromise. So Government of India having various schemes in order to promote research and developmental activities under the various schemes to have self-sufficiency capacity to focus on important drug intermediate products, important active pharmaceutical ingredients, including excipients. So we should not get any drug alerts. We should not have any deleterious products. At the same time, regulations also changing. Facilitators working as a facilitator, regulatory mindset is changing. E-governance is in place, and we are having more transparency and accountability to the public. So we need not to compromise. So that is our vision. So total globe is looking for the country because of more number of generic manufacturers and high quality, affordable products we are taking care and supplying to more than 208 countries across the globe. So that is the strength. Our Indian scientists are working in different parts of the world. They are coming back to India. They are going to invest and promote their own research and developmental center in order to generate employment. Second, to focus on innovative research products, and third, to take care of the important genetic disorders and orphan diseases, rare diseases,
Right.
extreme endemic and emergency condition, how we can take care with respect to viral diseases, maybe RNA diseases or DNA diseases. So things are changing, virus is mutating, so everyone knows during the COVID pandemic situation, so things are changing. So through mutation, we should have our own preparedness in case of future pandemic situation arises. That is the reason why our Honorable Prime Minister of India taking lead. We are all working under Health Ministry with the support of National Regulatory Authority Chief, Drugs Control General India is also very dynamically encouraging to have more transparency for ensuring high quality assured medical products moving in international commerce. Sir.
Amazing, sir. Amazing. I'm sure India has a really great future to be a pharmacy of the world. So I just wanted to, as a conclusion, I wanted to have one piece of advice for all the aspiring pharma leaders now who is looking to actually take a leap to build their own businesses in pharma, to start their career in pharma. What would be your one piece of advice for them?
So next future is biological products. Now chemical compounds are shifting to biological products. Everyone is targeting RNA, DNA, cell and mitochondria. So now time has come. Regenerative medical products are going to take very, very significant role. Cell therapy, gene therapy, advanced therapy medical products, including tissue engineering products. So at least we can target the disease, we can have more patient outcome to take care of all products at the affordable rate. So scientists are putting their efforts with respect to innovative ideas, keeping in their mind and focusing on novel therapies to take care of the future treatments in better way, having affordability, access and available to global population, and also to take care of the Indian continent also.
Absolutely, I think biological medicines are now going to be a future for us for sure, and I think India is taking a really good leap in that part as well. So, sir, thanks a lot for talking to us. Thanks a lot for sharing your insights and sharing your message to our young generations. Thanks for coming on Pharma Talks.
Thank you very much. Thank you.